174 series of 2024.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, welcome back. Second hour of the Morning Brew Show. You're still with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon. 11 straight years now. Subic Bay Freeport. Hey, welcome everybody. All right. And before we continue, once again, we'd like to invite everybody the notice of public hearing from the Public Health and Safety Department of the SBMA. All right. All stakeholders are invited. Everybody here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, the workers, the companies, the residents, to attend the public hearing for the amendment of the regulatory group's procedure on the imposition of fines and penalties on September 3, 2024, 1 p.m. at the Function Hall A of the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. Please do attend. This is very, very important, especially if you live here, you work here, you have your businesses here. This is very important for you, okay? So you may reach the Public Health and Safety Department of the SBMA 252-4502. And this one, bukas na, the TB, Tuberculosis in the Workplace Summit will be happening tomorrow, August 29, at the prominent area of the Harbor Point Ayala Mall, being brought to you by the Philippine College of Occupational Medicine, Olongapo City Chapter. Okay, so bukas na po ito ha. Once again, we are inviting everybody here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, the workers, the companies especially. They recommend bawat company mag-send daw kayo ng mga 2 or 3 representative. Okay, so they will be giving out lectures, seminars and special notes on preventing tuberculosis in the workplace. This is in celebration of August being the National Lung Month. Okay? So, for inquiries, if you're interested, you may call or text Dr. Eve Natividad, PCOM President, Philippine College of Occupational Medicine, 0917-886-7121. Alright, so those are the invites. Those are the announcements. And speaking of invites, may mga bisita tayo dito ngayon sa station. Kung nakikita nyo sa live video natin, ano, yan, sila yung may mga invites na ibibigay sa inyo, which are really, really interesting. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kaibigan natin dyan, ano, walang kahilig-hilig mag-shopping, daan ng daan sa mga shopping mall. This segment is specially dedicated for you. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa ating live video ngayon. Oh, by the way, yung live video natin, it's live on Facebook, the Facebook page of 89.5, Facebook page of the Morning Brew page, this radio program, and other SBMA, Subic Bay Freeport related pages na pwede nyo pong i-share. Okay? So kung napapanood nyo yung mga, baka may kakilala kayo, nakikita nyo dyan ngayon, no? I-share nyo na, itag nyo na sila. Okay. Ayan. So introducing our friends from SM City, Olongapo Central. We will have a rundown of them one by one. Kindly give us your name and what you do for SM muna. Sige po. Starting up with, who wants to start? You? Okay. Sige, madam. Okay. So, kindly grab the mic. Pakilapit po sa iyo yung mic. Ayan. Alright. Whoever's gonna talk, you need to grab the mic. Ayan. Share na lang. Hello po. Hello sa'yo.
Hello po. Good morning po. I'm Jess po from Ace Hardware, Olongapo Central.
Jess from...
Jess
from Ace Hardware. Ayan. And next to you, si madam. Yeah. What's your name po?
Hi sir, my name is Sheila po from Ace Hardware, Olongapo Central din po.
Ma'am Sheila, ayan. Ito po, by the way, pwede nyo palang gamitin to. I'm sorry, nakalimutan ko i-abot sa inyo. Ayan. The portable mic. Kung sino man yung unang gagamit niyan, kakanta. Chos. Ayan. Sige po, you ma'am. Opo.
Hello, good morning po. I'm Bianca, Mall Marketing.
Mall Marketing. Ayan. Of course. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning po. I'm Jovelyn Mendoza from SM Supermarket po.
SM. Hello, sound check. Nawala. SM Supermarket. Yun. Okay. And at the back, sige po.
DJ Tommy.
Good morning,
and
sir.
to all our listeners. Josh po from SM Store.
Si Sir Josh from SM Store. And you, ma'am?
Good morning, DJ Tommy.
Good morning po.
I'm Ryan from Our Home Furniture po.
All right.
Good morning, listeners.
Our home. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Third level, SM Central.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayan. Huwag niyo na po akong tawagin, sir. Wag din, ma'am, ha? Ayan. Nandito sila ngayon dahil syempre, malapit na this coming Friday na yung SM 3-day sale. Yun din yung nasa commercial. No? It's the SM 3-day sale. This coming Friday ang umpisa, no? August 30, 31, Saturday and Sunday, September 1. Okay. So, syempre, may mga ipopromote sila. Aside from us promoting the 3-day sale, bawat isa sa kanila may hatid na magandang balita sa inyo. Sige po, umpisahan nyo na yung magandang balita. Let's deliver the good news now for everybody listening. Sige po. Okay, who wants to start? Yeah, sige po. Ace Hardware.
Ayun po, good morning po ulit, listeners. I'm Jess from Ace Hardware, Olongapo City Central. And yes po, may maganda akong balita para sa ating mga shoppers. This upcoming August 30, 31, and September 1, 2024 po ay magkakaroon tayo ng 3-day sale wherein you can get up to 40% discount on great selections with extra 10% using Ace Rewards card or SM Advantage card.
Okay.
With minimum purchase of 3,000 and 5% off with a minimum purchase of 2,000 pesos. And Ace Hardware offers power tools, paints, electrical items, home hardware, lawn and garden, plumbing, automotive, and many more essentials. And also nakasale po yung mga lifetime tables namin, shower heaters, rechargeable fans, vacuums, ladder and generator sets po. Kung wala pa naman po kayong Ace Rewards card, pwede nyo pong i-avail yan for only 100 pesos. For good for 5 years nyo na po siyang magagamit. Ang kagandahan po sa card namin, bukod sa nakaka-discount ka, ay makakapag-earn ka rin po ng points na pwede natin magamit pambayad at syempre updated pa po kayo sa mga promotions namin. Also, if you have a BDO credit card holder, you will have additional 10% rebate for a minimum purchase of 10,000 for installment and 5% rebate for a minimum purchase of 5,000 po. We also offer installments for other credit card members like Security Bank, ICBC, East West, Metrobank, and BPI card holders. Minimum purchase of 3,000 pesos only po. So, as early as now, pwede na po tayo magpa-reserve. You can contact us via Viber call or text message at 0919-087-1954. Or you can directly visit us at SM City Olongapo Central, 3rd level.
Ayun.
Marami po tayong exciting offers kaya mga ka-shoppers, magkita-kita po tayo sa August 30, 31, and September 1 sa Ace Hardware SM City, Olongapo Central.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po.
Third level, am I right? Third level din ang Ace Hardware.
Yes po.
Okay. So, also in addition to that, probably not a lot of you know na may mga stuff for pets din sa Ace Hardware, no?
Yes
mga,
po, meron din
pet
kami
food,
yes.
food ng dogs, ng cats,
yes po.
pati na rin yung mga accessories for them.
Yes.
Yun, nakikita ko no. Meron din ba tayong mga solar-powered lights doon? Kasi yan ang in thing ngayon, ano? Ang daming nagkakabit ng solar power sa mga bahay-bahay, sa salon, sa terrace, gano'n.
Yes po, meron kaming mga rechargeable doon na ang source po is solar po talaga.
Solar power,
yes.
Oo. Kasi a lot of people hates paying, you know. Lalo the electricity bill. Kaya nagsa-solar, they go solar. Ayan, okay. So yung mga nag-upgrade po ng solar, pwede kasama sa sale natin.
Yes
yun,
po,
no?
kasama
So,
po yun sa sale namin.
Ayun, okay. And next to you, your turn, madam. Sige po. Who's gonna go next? Ikaw ba? Si Bada. Sige po, grab the mic.
Good morning po.
Yeah.
I am Jovelyn po from SM Supermarket. We at the SM Supermarket are inviting everyone to join us in SM City Olongapo Central's upcoming 3-day sale this August 30, 31, and September 1.
Okay.
Exciting promos and exclusive bundled packs await just for you. For every purchase of selected fresh items, you get to take home up to 10 exclusive SM bonus items. We also have awesome bundled items with free SM bonus items inside. Of course, do not forget to bring your Advantage card to get more of these exciting deals. Don't have one yet? We got you. Just approach any SM Supermarket personnel to avail our exclusive offers.
Yes. Okay. Ayan. Supermarket. The everyday essentials nandiyan dyan. Ano? Pagkain mostly, syempre. Alright. Okay. Who's gonna go next? Yeah? Sige po.
Good morning again.
Good morning again, sir.
To our listeners. Josh from SM Store, and I'm inviting you all this coming Friday to Sunday. It's 3-day sale at SM Olongapo Central, and the stackable discounts are back at SM Store. So,
Stackable discounts.
Makikita nyo po itong 50
Yun.
plus 10 plus 10. Let me explain a bit lang.
Yeah.
50, up to 50%, ito yung original discounts or markdowns ng items natin. Ito yung makikita natin sa mga selling pads. Then plus an extra 10% on top of the original discount.
Okay.
So that's, ang maganda dito sa extra 10% off ni Smack, no minimum spend and no cap.
Automatic
So,
10% off
yes
agad.
po. Basta
Yun.
meron kayong at least yung Smack Blue. So you can avail of the extra 10% from 3 to 7 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. But if meron kayo nung Smack Prestige or the color gray, ma-avail nyo yung extra 10% starting Friday, whole day. Then again on Saturday and Sunday from 3 to 7 p.m.
Ayun.
So sulit to, and bihira yung no minimum purchase and no cap na
Yes.
extra 10%. So tas bukod doon, so 50 plus 10 plus another extra up to 10% off pa when you use credit cards from our bank partners, BDO, BPI, and Metro Bank. So
wow.
iba't ibang minimum spend to avail the full 10%.
Parami ng padagdag ng padagdag, no?
Yes po.
Stackable nga
Bukod
naman.
dun sa patong-patong na discounts, DJ, meron pa tayong exclusive items or PWP items na available lang this 3-day sale at discounted prices. So, meron tayong mini karaoke with 2 wireless mics and HydroFresh tumbler or flask.
Yun.
Then
Alright.
bukod dun, basta maka 3K spend kayo in a single receipt kay department store, qualified na kayo to play What's in the Bag. So, masaya itong game, sir. Maraming napasaya ito last 3-day sale and
Single
maraming
receipt.
prizes.
Single receipt kailangan na 3,000. Ayun.
Proceed lang kayo sa customer service and may game booth tayo doon. Pili kayo ng paper bag and instantly pwede kayong manalo ng 10,000 SM gift pass. So, pwede na kayo mag-shopping ulit after that.
Wow. Yung 3,000 receipt, kahit saan pinamili yun, okay lang.
Sa department store.
Within the department store
Yes
lang.
po.
Okay. Alright. So,
Then,
they have to take note though of the dates, no? The schedule. Kasi yung discounts, di ba? I noticed may schedule, no? Like,
yung extra 10% off ni Smack. So, 3 to
yun.
7 p.m. yan this Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
So, better morning, may morning or lunchtime, nag-shopping na kayo para pagdating ng 3 p.m.,
Yun.
check out na tayo sa counters.
That's a good advice.
Pero yung,
Alright.
yung 50% and yung second the 10%, full day yan.
Full
for
day
all
naman.
3 days.
Yes.
Yung Smack 10% lang yung time-bound.
Yun. Okay.
Then
Alright.
bukod doon, merong offer si Smack ngayon. So kung wala pa kayong Smack or if meron kayong Smack Start, so meron tayong free 50 bonus points if you buy a Smack Blue or upgrade your Smack Starts until Friday. So sakto yan, magagamit nyo in time for the weekend.
50 bonus points.
Yes po. So if wala pa kayong Smack, now is the best time to get one.
Okay. That's good. That's great.
And then
Awesome.
may exclusive offers din po si Smart. So nagdi-discount sila ng mga prepaid cards and e-load. So bira rin to. Avail na lang kay customer service. Then pag naka-purchase kayo ng 1,000 worth of Smart products, qualified rin kayo to play What's in the Bag.
Oh, okay.
So chance to win 10K din yun.
Pwede bang manghingi ng konting teaser? Usually, ano ba yung ano? Is it okay to ask?
Yes po.
Ano yung mga nandun sa napapanalunan dun sa What's Inside the Bag? Parang ganon.
So all SM gift pass po. So 10K, marami tayong winners ng 10K SM gift pass. Instantly yun. Pero meron ding mga 1K, 500. So marami tayong winners.
That's
marami
awesome.
tayong papasayahin this 3-day sale.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Okay.
After nyo kay Dep Store, so nakapag-play na kayo ng What's in the Bag, nanalo na kayo, keep nyo pa rin yung receipt nyo kasi you're going to use that to register that para sa ating mall-wide raffle promo na Suzuki scooter. So
wow, that's nice. Okay.
So again, we hope to see you this Friday to Sunday
Definitely.
at SM Store, 2nd floor hanggang 4th floor. So from ladies, men's, children's fashion to shoes and bags to stationery and supplies. Meron din tayong kultura sa loob ng department store sa mga mahilig sa local products. And we have Ace Express sa loob ng Dep Store.
Kultura is a brand, right?
Yes po, Kultura Filipino, sir. Mga local products natin.
Yeah. All
Then
right.
meron tayong SM Home sa 4th floor. As well as Toy Kingdom and Snacks Exchange. So we've got it all for you sa loob ni Dep Store.
Talaga naman, definitely. I remember SM Home, yung sale ng SM Home Amazing August Sale.
Yes
Hanggang
po.
September 1 na lang yan. So kaya you guys better hurry din. No?
Yan. So if from August 30 to September 1, yung mga naka-discount nila doon sa Amazing August, plus extra 10% pa when you
Kalain
use the
mo,
Snack. Yes po.
Wow.
So sulit and bira lang to. Twice a year lang 3-day sale. So we hope to see you po.
Yan. So yung mga may ano ba ngayon? Wednesday ngayon, ano?
Wednesday.
May mga planong mamili, Wednesday, Thursday. I-hold nyo na muna. I-hold nyo na muna yung Wednesday, Thursday. Hintayin nyo na yung 3-day sale. Doon nyo na ibuhos. Okay, sayang yung mga discount. Yan, okay. So thank you for that awesome... meron pa. I'm sorry.
Just in case, hindi kayo makapunta sa mall this weekend. So all our 3-day sale offers are available via our personal shoppers. So call to deliver lang. You may contact 0917-808-2848. So nagde-deliver kami from Iba, Zambales hanggang Bataan. So pwede ring pick up. So para pagdating nyo doon, ready na yung items for pick up.
Naka-ready na, no? Just the same, they are entitled pa rin sa mga perks and discounts, ano?
Yes po.
For
except the
delivery
what's in the bag. You have to be in the store to play what's in the bag po.
Hindi pwedeng dalhin yung bag sa inyo para mag-what's in the bag. Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next one. Sige po.
Siyempre, ang dami naman ng promotion ni
Ay,
ni
grabe, ang
department
dami,
store sir ni Ace Supermarket. Of course, hindi po magpapahuli ang Our Home Olongapo Central. Kasama po kami sa 3-day sale on August 30 to September 1. So enjoy po natin yung additional 10% off on select items using your SMAC Prestige or BDO Rewards card. You can also take advantage up to 80% month-long offer this August. Yung mga kailangan po ninyong furniture like sectional sofa bed, accent chair, mattress and bed frames, wardrobes, occasional tables and shoe cabinets, and many more. We have great designs, great prices, and good quality po.
Okay.
So, you want more? Use BDO credit card and get another extra 5% on straight payment and extra 10% off for buy now, pay later transactions, installment. But terms and conditions apply.
Okay.
Follow nyo din po ang page ng Our Home Olongapo Central. And for any inquiries, you can call us at 0917-866-8301. Located po kami sa 3rd floor beside Ace Hardware and in front of SM Appliance Center. So, ano pa po ang inaantay natin? See you on August 30 hanggang September 1.
Alright. For the month long the month of August, meron din kayong month-long offer na yung up to 80% off, no?
Yes, sir.
Na items.
For the mattress po.
Grabe, no? Up to 80% off.
Yes.
Nakakamangha.
Sa Our Home lang po yan.
Yeah. Our Home, 3rd level. SM City Olongapo Central.
Yes, sir.
Yan. Okay. Who's gonna go next? Sige po. Yes. Sige.
Alright. Ito na pong gagamitin ko. Alright. Last but not the least, ayan po, ang dami po nating nalaman ng mga discounts. Patong-patong from Ace, Supermarket, Dep Store, and Our Home. And aside from that, marami pa po. Once you visit SM City Olongapo Central on our 3-day sale this coming August 30, 31, and September 1. Tama-tama po yan because it's payday weekend. At alam po namin na marami kayong mga nasa shopping list, kaya punta na po kayo sa 3-day sale happening this Friday. Kaya kung gusto niyo po makagrab ng discounts, now is the best time to shop for your Christmas shopping list because SM got it all for you. So from home improvement, nandito po si Ace, and for your daily necessities, we have supermarket. And of course, our daily store, everyday store, the SM store, and of course, our home for your home improvement as well. And also, when you shop at for our 3-day sale, you have a chance po na manalo ng brand new Suzuki Bergman street scooter. So, di ba po, nag-shopping na kayo, meron pa kayong chance manalo. So, go ahead and visit us on our 3-day sale this coming weekend, and wag po papapigil sa ulan. Okay. Umulan man, pero mas umuulan ng discount sa SM City Olongapo Central. So, saan pa kayo makakakita? 3 days na discounted promos ang meron sa mall. So once again, we invite our shoppers, our listeners to come and visit us and enjoy exclusive perks and discounts na offer po ng mga stores only at SM City Olongapo Central. And also, I would like to add that during weekends, double raffle entries po ang pwedeng mangyari. So you can visit our booth on our 3-day sale located at the ground level and of course sa level 2. So may mga mag-a-assist po doon. So once again, we are inviting our friends, our listeners to go and shop for our upcoming 3-day sale because this will be fun and maraming mga nag-a-await na mga exclusive deals and promos for our dear listeners and shoppers. Ayan po. So tara na po sa SM City Olongapo Central dahil umuulan po ng mga
special
discounts. Yes.
Yeah, and perks and a whole lot more, di ba? Real quick, how to avail of the paano makasali sa raffle ng Bergman Street Scooter po?
Yes. Makakasali po kayo sa raffle for every 1,000 purchase po.
Okay.
From any store po
Any
yan.
store?
Sir. Any store.
Within
Basta
Central.
within SM City Olongapo Central, you are entitled to win to join our e-raffle po. So our e-raffle draw will be on September 5. So i-announce na lang po yan sa Facebook.
Yun.
Kaya to our listeners and our viewers, you can to know more details, you can visit our page, SM City Olongapo Central. So we are announcing all our promos there. Ayan, so doon nyo po makikita lahat ng mechanics and all yung mga pa-discounts po ng mga stores.
Yun. So
yan.
for every 1,000 receipt lang pala, kasali ka na,
sir,
no?
pwede ka na
Do they
makasali.
need to register the receipt or automatic
Yes,
na
sir.
yun?
They need to register at the booth. So may
Merong
mga
booth
mag-a-assist
that will,
po doon.
okay.
So just keep your
Ayan.
receipt po. And yung promo period po natin is from August 30 till September 1, 9 p.m. So SM City Olongapo Central is open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So any time of the day hanggang 9 p.m. open po ang mall. So you can shop. So walang tawag dito.
No limit.
No limits.
Hanggang,
Anytime
basta
you're
hanggang
available.
9. Yeah.
Correct. Yes po.
Okay, basta hanggang 9. Ayan. Bali, the raffle of the scooter is on September 1 na, no?
The raffle,
Agad-agad,
it will be on September 5 most probably.
September 5. I'm
yes
sorry.
po.
Okay, yeah. All right, September 5. All right, watch out for it. Yes, ma'am. You're gonna add one more thing? Sige po, go ahead. Yan.
Meron pa.
Wala na. Okay. Akala ko you're gonna add one more thing. Yeah. Sige. One last time, let's invite everybody sa ating upcoming 3-day sale this coming Friday.
Ayan po. Once again, we invite you po to shop for our 3-day sale on August 30, 31, and September 1 po. At SM City Olongapo Central.
Yes, definitely. And I guess narinig nyo naman lahat, no? Yung great news nila. Okay, may mga gusto ba kayong batiin? Anybody? Shout out, sige po. Go ahead. Shout outs before we Oo, baka.
And shout out po.
Sige po.
sa lahat ng staff ng Ace Hardware Olongapo Central.
Yon, hey. nag National Heroes Day sale din last yeah. Okay, wala na? That's it? All right, so there you have it, people. You heard the great news. Thank you, everybody, from SM City Olongapo Central, of course, with Ma'am Net on the side. Thank you for dropping by. Ayan, maraming salamat. So, catch it this coming Friday na, ha? Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung may plan kayo mamili Wednesday and Thursday, i-hold nyo na muna. Malapit na Ilang araw, 2 days na lang yan. 2 tulog na lang. Okay? So again, we'd like to thank you guys. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for sharing with us this beautiful piece of info. As usual, of course, whenever 3-day sale, ang daming nakaantabay. Alright, so we will play this next requested song. Requested via the text hotline 0910-6909-501. This is the Jonas Brothers with their song The Year 3000. 895 Subic Bay Radio.